Hi guys, and welcome back to Newton FX Academy YouTube channel. My name is King GK, and on today's video we're gonna take a look at a simple phone strategy that you can apply on a daily basis. With this strategy guys, you will need only a trading view, the trading view app from your Google Play Store or any Play Store, but you're gonna need trading view. And one more thing that you guys must turn on your phone is the rotation, because why? Once you not at your desk or near any computer, you can use your phone to analyze the markets, right? So you're gonna need your trading view, you're gonna need your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 on your phone. So with this trading strategy guys, we're gonna do it the same as how we do it on our computer, but simple, right? So guys, with no further ado, don't forget to give your boy a subscribe if you want to get more of this type of videos guys. So with no further ado, let's jump into this video. So after you install this app on your phone guys, I want you guys to go to any product that you really want to trade. So I'm gonna start off on my weekly time frame, as you guys know, right? And I want you guys to add this 21 EMA, as you guys can see right here, right? Let me just use my drawing tool. This at this 21 EMA, right? So the key of this strategy guys is that to wait for price to trade above your 21 EMA on any product that you wish to trade. But my example is going to be on gold right now. I'm just gonna break it down and show you guys where we're trading. So on our weekly time frame perspective, as you guys could see right now, is that on gold, right? Let me just put in my drawing tool to show you guys. This is my higher point right here, right? And this is my high point right here, right? This was only substructures for me on gold, as you guys can see, right? This was only substructures. This is also a sign of a descending corrective formation, right? You guys can probably see that. It's a sign of a descending corrective formation, right? So what we could notice is that price did run back into this area right there and got rejected, right? So now we know we did break this highs right here, we did break this highs right here. So now we're expecting price to come back, to retrace back to this region right here for continuation to the upside, right? This is basically what I will wait for right now, right? So if we scale into, let's see, if we scale into our daily time frame right now, but before we do that guys, let's just add something first, right? Let's just add some horizontal lines first before we continue. Let's add this line, right? Add more, and this line right here, right, where price come tap into, right? And let's add more, and this line right here, right? So you guys could see this was one range for us. This was one range for us. Price break out of it. So now we're waiting for that retracement phase. So let's scale down to our daily time frame, right? So now you guys could see what price basically starting to do on our daily time frame, right? We was in this impulsive phase to the upside, as you guys can see right there, and now we can see we basically coming for our retracement phase just right there. So what I will look out for right now is for price to come tap into this region here again. Once price come tap into this region again, I will wait for my 4-hour time frame. Just my 4-hour time frame, I will look out for some form of weak rejections in this region, right? For now, you guys could see there's not actually a really good trading opportunity here because our price is still in this retracement phase, right? We still can expect downwards pressure to the downside, even though we're scaling to our smaller time frames. Just in this, right? So let's scale to our 1-hour time frame right now, guys. Is that with this strategy, guys, you must always make sure that you are trading above or under your 21 EMA. Right there was great trading opportunities once price starting to trade under the 21 EMA. As you guys can see here, price run to it. There we break out of it, we trace back, respect 21 EMA. There you guys can see price is still in this bear run to the downside. But what we notice is that price is still basically bullish on my higher time frames, like my daily time frame and on my weekly time frame. So this is what we will wait for, guys. This is a pretty simple strategy that I most likely love to use. Some call it the breakout and retest strategy. I'm call it the Reeds Gang strategy, because why, this move right here is basically some form of a descending corrective formation for continuation to the upside, right? This is also some form of formation that we're gonna look out for, is what we call the W or the double bottom. You can call it what you want, guys. In this game, you can name it whatever you want, as long as you understand what's going on with this thing right now, as long as you understand the picture of it, right? So I'm just gonna scale into my daily time frame, right? So I'm gonna wait patiently for price to come tap into this area right here for continuation to the upside. But what I first will wait for is weak rejections at this area right here, right? Weak rejections at this area. Once price reject this area multiple times, I will most likely take buys to the upside, because right, this is a simple strategy, guys. It is a breakout and retest strategy. We can, for those who are new into this game, probably heard about it but don't understand the concept of it, right? It is basically you have to wait for price to come back into this area right now first, right? It must come back into this area of support first before we can continue to the upside, right? We can actually look at another market like on GJ. Where's right now on watch list, GBP, JPY, right? So I have some analysts on it. So what you guys could see right here is that for this strategy, guys, you can see price create this double top. We have this neckline right here. We have this impulsive phase here to the downside, right? This is what we can see. So now we're expecting price to respect this reason right here, right? We can see price did showing us this rejections from this area, from this level on a daily time frame, and that's a great indication. So if we scale onto our 4/8 time frame right now, guys, is that you guys could see our 4/8 basically creating this strong bearish engulfing candle to the downside, and also break under our previous 1 hour structure of higher low, right? Under this previous structure right there. So what we will wait for right now, guys, is that for price to retrace back in a ascending corrective formation and taking price to the downside. To take shells right now, guys, we are trading at this area of support as well. It's not gonna be the right time to take shells yet, because why, guys, as you guys can see, price did previously respect this region, right? Price did previously respect this region multiple times. And there you guys can see price respect the 21 EMA here as well. So that is why I told you guys, let's wait for price on our smaller time frames to retrace back, right? So let's just show you on our 1 hour time frame. So let's wait for price to retrace back, what price basically doing now. So once we saw that retracement phase, then we can take swords, guys, because while we have the strong impulsive phase, we did also break structure under this higher low with this impulsive phase to the downside. So now we will wait for price to create and this area of lower high point to take price to the downside. This is also what I'm waiting for, guys. So this is basically the breakout and retest strategy on how you guys could take this trading position. So guys, I want you guys to check out my other videos on how to get proper entries. So this is it for this video, guys. Peace out.